Hey, 7 of 9. How's my favorite Borg doing? One day the Borg will assimilate you and your species, despite your arrogance. Yeah, you're funny. You know how to be funny, right? I understand the concept of humor. It may not seem like it, but I find human behavior quite amusing. All right, we're doing something a little different today. So, what is this? This is 7 of 9's Eyepiece from Star Trek. Full disclaimer, I am not a Trekkie, but my friend Maddie called me the day before Halloween with a costume emergency. The eyepiece that she'd ordered from Amazon wasn't going to come on time. She desperately needed one, and I have just been watching all of these garbage bashing videos. I was so ready to take a shot at trying to make a prop like this. So let me show you how it was done. I've got beads, wire, garbage. This is basically garbage bashing and paint, and that'll pretty much do it. You know, more or less, I kind of just took a little shape out of what I thought the eye was gonna be. I made that out of some paperboard, and then after that, it was all up to just gluing things on, like additional paper, a wire to kind of add to the shape, and just adding all these knickknacks and doodads to give it a bunch of structure and make it look like it was something mechanical. Once I had the rough shape, I just started cutting out additional cardboard to add a kind of layered look, and then started super gluing on kind of other scrap pieces. And one thing that will supercharge your super gluing is using this CA glue accelerant. It makes everything bind super fast. You honestly have to be careful to not get things stuck to your fingers. It makes super glue dry in 2 seconds. Once the pieces were put together, I based this in spray paint, starting with a coat of gray, hitting the underside with black, and then hitting the top side with white, a kind of zenithal highlight. After that, I went in with a silver Sharpie and just touched up some of the edges to give it an extra metallic shine. And that was it. You can bind this to your face using eyelash glue or double-sided tape, but just goes to show how far you can go to get a decent enough looking prop just with garbage. And that's the finished prop complete. To everyone, thanks for watching, have a great day, and to all you Trekkies out there, may the Force be with you.